welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today it's a beautiful summer day here in Melbourne and we are outside, quite fitting because today's video is an outdoor project. Today's video is a makeover of a courtyard space which was in dire need of a makeover. So it went from being a really dull, uninviting space to an entertainer's paradise full of plants, colour, character and style. And it just goes to show you that you don't need to have a massive place to have a big impact. You can do so much with a small space with a little bit of imagination, creativity and a bit of a plan. Small space, big style. We didn't have a major budget for this project either, so all in all it cost about £1,000 Australian dollars, which is about £500 or 700 US dollars. So not major. A lot of the shopping and things that we got were thrifted, and we just really made use of some of the things that were already there. Before we get into the video, a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. If you have, thank you. And don't forget to like, engage, comment on the post. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so this home is shared by two twin sisters in their early 30s, and they really want this space to be somewhere they can socialise, hang out, bring friends over, have a laugh. And as you can see, this is really not conducive of that. It's boring, there's lots of concrete, stone, nothing really happening in this space at all. What they really wanted it is to bring it to life. So this was the vision for the space. It's all about it being eclectic, fun and colourful. Lots of colour, lots of green, lush planting, really vibrant furniture and a rug and a beautiful screening at the back to get rid of that really dull brick wall. To save on the budget, we found these old chairs at a charity shop. They were $15 each, and even though they're pretty boring at the moment, all black, the plan was to spray them in really bright colours that would really pop in the courtyard. So I chose 3 different colours: turquoise, orange and yellow, and these colours look beautiful once the chairs are all done and everything is in place. I also found this old antique lamp in the charity shop. Why do you want a lamp for a courtyard? You're probably asking, but the plan is to use this, the top of it, as a planter. I really love using unusual objects to be able to plant things, and this lamp is perfect for the table. Imagine my excitement when I see this Facebook Marketplace advert saying someone was giving away all of these free plants and they were just round the corner from me. So obviously I took myself off in my car, went to check them out and filled up the boot with all of these free plants. So even though I had picked up these free plants, winning, I still needed a lot more to make the courtyard into a really lush tropical space. So I took myself off to the nursery. This particular nursery specialises in tropical plants and palms, so I felt right at home there. So the goal is to really think strategically about the kind of plants that I need. I really want something or a group of plants that are going to give me that bushy, lush look, but also that are not too pricey. Next, we went to a warehouse to pick up some bamboo panelling to conceal the back wall. Bamboo panelling is a really cost-effective way just to help improve an existing structure, and it's quite easy to attach them to a fence or a wall as we're doing right now. So as part of the installation process, we attached those bamboo panels by securing a timber beam to the brick wall and then securing the bamboo panels onto the actual timber beams just to make them really sturdy. In regards to the planters, I decided to go with these organic looking planters that are just made from pallets. They're really affordable, also sustainable, and I just love the earthy kind of timber look and the fact that they fit all across the back of that wall. This is what it looks like with the plants in situ. Beautiful. Already the space is already just really uplifted and you can really see the progression. Every gardener needs a potting bench or a potting station where you can plant your pots and store all your gardening gear away. So for the courtyard, because we don't have a lot of space and because we are increasing the number of plants in the garden, it's really important for us to have somewhere that we can use for soiling, planting, all those purposes. We're also going to use the top of this station for storage for some herbs. So for this DIY project, I was influenced by an image I saw on Pinterest, and they had just used concrete blocks, which were really cost effective, and plywood. For the plywood, we use marine strength plywood just so it withstands the weather. And for the top, where the herbs are going to go, this was just a reinforcement bar, which is just an old building material, really cheap building material, which we'll use to store the herbs. Got the rug down, chairs up, and we're able to use this ledge here. It's a little ledge, we just propped it up to put some plants. And yeah, so we've just got a few more things to do to finish it off, but it's coming together nicely. So by now all the basics are in place. We've got the plants, we've got the bamboo panel, we've got the table up and the rug. Time to bring in all the elements to put those finishing touches and put it all together. So we bring up the chairs. They are looking so good in that space, so bright, so colourful. They add so much. This chair was also from a charity shop for about $25. We dress that up and then we add in the lighting. The lighting is so important for the ambience at night to give a really beautiful vibe to this space. Okay, a quick reminder of what the space looked like before and after. Totally transformed. This place has some serious vibes going on. It's such a quirky little fun space, yet with all the plants and lushness, it just feels really beautiful to be out here, and to just get the most of this space is so amazing. These girls are going to have so much fun entertaining out here now, and I'm really happy we've been able to provide this space for them to be able to socialise and bring in their mates. Let me know what you think of the project by leaving a comment below, and until next time, catch you soon.